Quotemdk. The word cyclone is derived from the Greek word kyklon, meaning coil of a snake or spinning motion. This term accurately describes the rotating nature of cyclones. The strongest cyclone ever recorded was Typhoon Tip, which occurred in the western Pacific Ocean in 1979. It reached a diameter of about 2,220 minus 1,380 miles, larger than any other tropical cyclone in history. Cyclones in the Northern Hemisphere rotate counterclockwise, while those in the Southern Hemisphere rotate clockwise. This is due to the Coriolis effect, caused by the rotation of the Earth. Cyclones can generate enormous amounts of energy. The heat released by a hurricane in just one day is equivalent to the total electrical power consumption of the entire world for the same period. Cyclones can transport vast amounts of water vapor, contributing to the global water cycle. It is estimated that an average hurricane can release more than 6 trillion gallons of rainfall per day. Cyclones can influence the Earth's rotation. When a large cyclone changes its location or intensity, it can cause a slight shift in the planet's rotation due to the redistribution of mass. The strongest winds in a cyclone are usually found near the eye wall, which surrounds the calm eye. These winds can reach speeds exceeding to 150 kilometers per hour, 155 miles per hour, and severe cyclones. Cyclones can have unique names assigned to them to aid in identification and communication. Different regions have different naming systems, such as hurricanes in the Atlantic being given names from a predetermined list. The eye of a cyclone is a fascinating feature. It is typically a circular or elliptical area with clear skies and relatively calm winds, creating a serene and tranquil environment amidst the surrounding chaos. Cyclones can produce a rare meteorological phenomenon called a mote. A mote occurs when dry air gets drawn into the cyclone's eye, creating a clear region separating the eye wall from the central calm eye. It gives the appearance of a ring or moat around the eye. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.